In the arid expanse, camels appear to read the sand itself, twitching as distant rain approaches. Field researchers explain that shifts in sand grains create subtle seismic cues detectable through their sensitive nerves. An arid zone ecologist shares a tale of a herd that altered course minutes before a storm, illustrating the talent in action. A veterinarian compares this ability to a natural weather radar, carved by evolution through harsh climates. The piece closes with a note on ongoing studies that separate folklore from measurable sand ripples and rainfall forecasts.